Okay, so you have to check out the Eternal Flame. Obviously here in Volgograd, it probably has a bit of a different meaning than a lot of other places around the world where there are eternal flames, but it's connected through with this long alley of heroes, and it goes all the way down to the Volga, so we're going to go and walk around and check it out as well. So these are all the Alley of Heroes. See, you can see all the names. Yeah. So these, it says Heroes of the Soviet Union from the Stalingrad battle. Okay, so here we are at night. That's the entry from the Volga River into the city. And you'll see there was a fountain here behind me. And then you've got the Alley of Heroes. And you'll notice behind me on the buildings, you'll see the Order of Lenin and the Gold Star that were given to the heroes after the war. And they all kind of light up at night. So it kind of looks really nice. So, this is the Volga Flotilla. Let's see what this is. Oh wow, you can see all the shrapnel from the war. Wow. Now this looks really nice at night. It's kind of hard to see because of the reflections. So apparently this was sunk and they pulled it out of the river. Ooh, is that where it went down? As you can see, I recommend coming here at night, not in the daytime, because it's actually a lot more colorful and there's less people here at night than the daytime, but I suppose that depends when you come. Red Soviet Star, that somehow became the Red Star of Russia. I suppose it's all the same to some. I suppose maybe in fact it actually is the same. I checked the weather radar, it said it's fine, no problem, clear tonight. Step outside, lucky I took my jacket. Pouring rain. Hey, way to go. So behind me there is the fire tower. So that fire tower was demolished when, Stalin had his office here, so they figured it was too high of a vantage point where maybe they could put a sniper in there to take him out. So they demolished the whole tower. Of course, it was rebuilt. The city was razed eventually and then had to be all rebuilt. So just recently, that's a new replica of the original fire tower. Okay, I've always wanted to try one of these. These are the updated Soviet soft drink machines. So, Tarhun is my favorite. Let's see how this works. Okay, and select an item. Hold on. Clearly, I don't know what I'm doing. And then QR code, it's 30 rubles. Let's see what happens. Okay. So in the Soviet days, there was just a generic glass cup and everyone just drank, and it was like a communal glass cup. Nowadays, it's obviously a bit more sanitary, where you get your own cup. So now that's just making it. And I guess is that it? Just grab it. There we go. So that's tarhun, which is like a Georgian tarragon soft drink. It's honestly my favorite one. All right, here you go. Cheers. Let's see how it is. Tastes a little bit different than the ones. I think there's a double portion that you could pay an extra 5 rubles for, and it might be a little stronger. I think I like it a little stronger, but hey, there you go. Cheap drinks all over the city in Volgograd. Okay, gotta love an old Soviet market. Still kind of works. Ooh, some fish. Okay, so probably can't get more Soviet than this. Here you go. You got Lenin in the middle, and this is for the heroes of the city, which recognizably is understandable, but this architecture is just something else. Alrighty, lots of weddings happening today. So an honorable mention, if you're eating anywhere here in Volgograd, you got to check out Reka. I didn't do a proper filming, but this is one of the top 100 best restaurants or new restaurants in Russia. So we had some really tasty pelimeni with pike. Rita had a garden salad, and then we had the sea buckthorn tea, which is very popular here. But it's a very well done, very tasty, up and coming, and yeah, we really enjoyed it here. Okay, looks like the, I don't say cruise ship, river ship is about ready to go. Music and people are singing them all. That would have been a cool trip to do another time. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Okay, so I guess this is my final thoughts and reflections of Volgograd. I really enjoyed the city. It wasn't really what I expected, but I guess I don't really know what I expected. It's I thought maybe it might be a bit of a heavy atmosphere, or, you know, there's so many things that the city went through, but it's actually light, friendly. The city is along the Volga River. The people have been great. The hotel's great. Certainly staying kind of here in the center where I am now is a great place to plunk yourself down and just to walk around. You can sit and people watch or go to a cafe, and yeah, we really enjoyed our time here. So definitely you could add it to the list of things if you ever want to go check out Russia.